My name is Matthews. I'm my father dead before I meet my mother.
How can you say a while ago?
But really and truly, I'm just there for hear what a coffee officer.
Michael Matthews.
Yes, coffee.
Is your father last name Matthews?
Yo, me you good? Hold it.
You must understand.
Mom, can I get something to eat? I'm hungry.
Jesus Christ, you're a thief. I mean, I got thief to feed you, you know. Me not just get some water to drink from morning. What is the problem? You move like say you go dead. You're not go dead, you know. Me not business if you show me say a night now. It's supposed to wall you. You're too greedy, man. I mean, not gonna feed you, you know. Cause me don't have it to feed you. You are gonna eat when me give you. And me give you some water to drink. I
Alright then, since you come back, I want you to see the front of the yard, the back of the yard, the side of the yard, the other side of the yard, the front of the yard, the side of the yard with the side there. I want you rake out everything in the garden, and I want you make sure so you plunge the toilet where you left clog up from the last time when you did there. Cause you feel like say you get wet. I want you wash all the plate them, the dirty clothes them where they left over you still there, so you have to wash that too. I don't know why you look at me so.
Yo, the other day, me chill with a bee. I'm a poop in the room with her. Me see she move towards the window. Me say, if you really rate me. You see if you really rate me.
Don't you open up that window.
No, open it.
Don't you let out that antidote. Big bills is all we know.
Use the word receipt in a sentence. Sir, Carlton showed me a picture on his phone of a sexy girl, but me never see it good. So me tell him to make me receipt.
But I'm just a soul whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. I could feel the sweat running down my balls, and there was a slight tingle in my spine. And all I could think to myself was, no shit up yourself.
Girl, you sitting tight like a vice grip. That's it, me make you real up and get. In a bed, man, I touch you with it. Take, touch you with it. From me know say your man not left you, and him not put no girl before you. Your body good like gold. Your body make your man feel like he must score a couple goals.
Call me a girl, and for me, the body good, I love this all. Call me a girl, and for me, the body good, I love this all. Hear me a turn you all back quick, and me already like a superman. You said it all for the general. Time for you show me your love now.
Quick, faster than lightning. Boy, girl, give the sitting justice right him. Any boy know and a girl got to strike him. Stand up in a this like a Viking. Ride up and kick down the stand. Pick spiff up.
Yo, come here. Know your fucking self, eh? Know me a bad man, yeah? That me a tell you. Dog, you know what you just do? Yeah, me just box up a what? What you got do? Dog, you know what you just do?
You know what you just do now?
Oh, shit, you have a gun. I am so sorry. Me no bad man. As you can tell by the app where me I wear. You know what? Box my bag, come. Box me. No, man. Thump me in my mouth.
Wagwan, my son. I want to ask you something. I want to buy a new phone. Which phone you think I can go buy?
Well, the iPhone them are room streets, you know, like everybody have a
I don't want an iPhone, everybody have that. I want the phone with the Apple on it. What you think about them phone? The last night I watch TV and I see them there promote the Apple 7. The Apple 7 phone just come out. It all have a Bluetooth headphone. Feel me, I go get it, you know.
I love your pick, boy, lad. Why? Sorry, phone charge, fam. Up in the house we go, boy, lad, at the panto. Youth. Why? You know, you could get catch. Sorry. Oi, oi! Me to a bug fry iris.
Yo, dog. I'm a spliff there. I'm a spliff. Dog, I can't find my spliff, dog.
Tavi, you build a spliff and a spliff.
So you mean if you tell me you don't know the spliff I have?
I bet you find a spliff soon. I bet you.
Dog, if you have my spliff, give me a spliff. You may I tell you that. So I better give me my bumbo class spliff, you know, you. That may I tell you, yo, alright, don't give me a spliff. Don't give me a spliff. I give me my bumbo class spliff, yeah. That may I tell you, I knock you out of that bumbo class cock, yeah. Give me a spliff, you. That may I tell you, yeah. Bumbo class spliff, no, you. Give me a spliff, no, you. Give me a spliff. Give me a spliff, no, that. Yo, give me a spliff.
You see him now? You see him from there? No, I love you. Wait, let go of that. Let go. What dog you good? Since when you're Batman? You dog.
My name Batman.
It's you dog. No matter tell that. What dog? Pick those cottons, boy. Hey, you can't tell me what to do. Do you? Oh, dear God, he slapped Jimmy. I'm not gonna tell you again, boy. That really hurt you, bastard. Oh, pick those cottons. Come on, Jimmy. This nigga's serious. Pick the goddamn cottons. Go to hell. Oh. Yeah, man, Jimmy.
I'm about to run away.
Where are you going, Popstar?
Going to the gal farm. Anyway, me roll up gal swam. Me keep a gal warm.
Mamacita, your body neater. Beautiful feature, no creature. Teacher, a teacher, the teacher. No creature, no church, no preacher. The feature, the leacher, my speech and a talk. Say you're brown through your reach as a bleacher. Tell her how you own a procedure. So Patricia, Tanisha and Keisha.